I try to write my eyes away. This pain I got, don't know no friend. I let her fly through my hand. She got so mad at my fuck-ups, she had enough. I promised her I want someone to take my pain. I need a change to start again and again and again. Oh, and again. Oh, again, again. Oh, please, my Lord, tell me what to do. Oh, please, my Lord, tell me where to go. He heaven was fair to give me a chance. If I could just go back in time, what could I say to do it right? What could I do to make me her stay? Make her stay. Oh, stay, make her stay. Oh, please, my Lord, tell me what to do. Oh, please, my Lord, tell me where to go. Oh, please, my Lord and my Lord, tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Oh, please, my Lord, tell me where to go. You want to know why I cry?